In this tutorial, I will show you how to share your Google One storage with your family members. First, open any browser on your device and search for Google Family Group. Press Enter, and from the search results, click on the first link. Click on Get Started, followed by Create a Family Group, and then Confirm by selecting Confirm. Next, enter the email addresses of the family members you want to add. A Google Family Group allows up to 5 additional members, making a total of 6, including you. Once you have selected the members, scroll down and click Send to invite them. After that, click Got it to confirm. Now that your family members have joined, visit the Google One website and click on Settings, located in the upper right corner. If you do not have an active Google One subscription, the relevant options will not be visible. However, if you do, you will see a section labeled Manage Family Settings. Click on it and enable the Share Google One with Family option. Once enabled, your family members will have access to the shared storage space from your Google One plan.